Welcome along, fellow time travelers. This time around, I'm going to give you an update on what's been going on with Hurricane Helene in western North Carolina. Before I begin, please like and share the show and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Now check this out. As you may know, Joe Biden just announced over $1 billion for Africans displaced from their homes. Unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. And then somebody just sent me a message about a gentleman named Anthony. I don't know why people just don't name their sons Anthony, but it's Secretary Anthony Blinken. I honestly don't know who the hell that is, but he posted this. Today, I'm announcing the delivery of $725 million in additional weapons and equipment for Ukraine's defense. The United States and more than 50 nations stand united with Ukraine. Do we? Do we? You know what? 350 million Americans stand united with Western North Carolina. This is all incredible. I'll tell you, one thing people keep asking me is what can they do? It's awesome that you're watching this, as well as the videos and listening to podcasts from other producers, because the mainstream media doesn't seem to want to cover this. So while you're watching this footage, I'm going to tell you about a donation I made on Give, Send, Go. I'm going to put the link below. To Operation Shelter. So I'm going to read to you what it says on their Give, Send, Go site. Urgent. Helene survivors need help with shelter. In the wake of Helene, FEMA has failed our fellow Americans. These folks are our friends, neighbors, families, moms, dads, brothers, sisters, and children. The cold weather is setting in, and it's claiming lives. Since most of us can't be on the ground to help Helene victims, we can pitch in by providing heated, four-season shelter that will get folks through the tough months ahead. The goal of Operation Shelter is to fund, purchase, deliver, and distribute pitch-ready shelter packages, tiny homes, and/or RVs to Helene victims in North Carolina. We started Operation Shelter with heated, four-season tent packages that worked as complete shelter solutions. Based on our experience, expertise, and Helene victims' needs, we put together shelter packages specially designed to solve immediate shelter needs, while also considering a range of other challenges. I have personally spent weeks living in the Kodiak canvas tents and can vouch for their quality, durability, and efficiency. Once again, this is not me talking. I'm reading from the Give, Send, Go page. So I'm going to continue. What's so great about these tents is they create rooms where adults can stand up comfortably, so everyday life is much more comfortable and organized. The shelters can be easily shipped to North Carolina, deployed in affected areas, and relocated on the ground. We have two hot tent shelter options. One, large hot tent shelter packages, $3,000 to $4,000. The large shelter package is a canvas, cabin-style tent with a wood-burning stove. It provides heated shelter for a family up to, I'd say comfortably, 6 adult-sized people. And obviously different combos of adults, kids, pets, and gear. Bonus, the wood-burning stoves can also be used for cooking. 2. The small hot tent shelter package, $2,000 to $3,000. The small shelter package is a canvas, cabin-style tent that provides heated shelter for a family up to, I'd say comfortably, 4 adult-sized people, and obviously different combos of adults, kids, pets, and gear. Bonus, the wood-burning stoves can also be used for cooking. Where we're at now, we've been at this for a few weeks, and have learned from being in the field. We needed to add more options on top of our heated tent solutions. Hot tents. These are the perfect shelter solution for some folks, so we're providing these where it makes sense. RVs and trailer donations. Operation Shelter is taking RV, camper, and trailer donations and delivering them to families in need. It's true that if shelter isn't deemed suitable by the state, kids are being separated from their parents. These are the cases where we're working to secure RVs or trailers for these families. We are equipped to help with logistics, like minor repairs, pickup, towing, gas, lodging associated with delivery, etc. Hotel stays. Operation Shelter has also helped families with paying for short-term hotel stays and other accommodations. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you how Operation Shelter works, according to their Give, Send, Go site. Funding. Donations made to this Give, Send, Go toward providing shelter, which I just described, for Helene victims. on-the-ground team led by Sean Hendricks at The Sean Hendricks. That's on X. Sean is an expert survivalist who is on the ground in North Carolina. He is assessing the shelter needs, buying, receiving, and deploying the tent and stove packages. Follow at The Sean Hendricks on X to get his updates, news, and latest interviews. Okay, so now I'm going to read the role of the lady who put this together. She's at C. Holly, Holly, and here's what she had to say. My name is Holly Kaysen. I'm from Colorado and have a lot of extreme camping experience. I've personally used all of this equipment and can vouch for the quality, safety, and reliability of the shelter kits I've put together. My background is tech startups, and I'm good at building logistic systems from scratch and executing these types of missions. I'm handling front-end logistics and partnerships. I'm on X a ton, promoting Operation Shelter and giving updates. You can vet me on Twitter at cholly. DMs are open. Okay, now they list their known challenges. 1. Product availability. Originally, I anticipated the canvas tents with stove jacks may have limited availability. Turns out, thankfully, not so. We've had no problems with stock or shipping. RVs and trailers are tougher to get and are especially needed. They're a bit handier because of bathroom, kitchen facilities for families with kids. 2. Delivery. We anticipated potential issues with equipment delivery. Turns out we've had no problems or issues. Sean is arranging Operation Shelter funding for gas, lodging, etc. for volunteers who are towing, delivering RVs, trailers, and campers. 3. Cost. Operation Shelter packages are coming in within our initial cost estimates. Even with our need to customize shelter solutions, RVs are turning out to be a bit more expensive than the heated tents, but not cost prohibitive. Sean has done an especially amazing job with the RVs and trailers. Overall, we're doing extremely well managing our costs. Big bang for the buck. 4. Admin. Sean and I aren't taking any money from this for ourselves, for admin, etc. All donations go to the sheltering project. 5. Keeping it rolling. Our first few weeks of this project are going extremely well. We've blown through our initial funding goal, thanks to everyone's generosity. Your donations, encouragement, sharing, posts, and word of mouth is working. So far, we've helped 12 families and counting. All right, so that is the Gift Send Go page. I'm going to go ahead and put the link below. Now, another thing I want to point out is I just made a donation. You can see it right on there. I'm not going to tell you how much it was, but, you know, it was just an amount that I felt comfortable giving. What I'm going to do as well is 100% of the proceeds generated from my YouTube channels associated with Hurricane Helene will be donated to Operation Shelter and other such organizations, since I have no idea if and when Operation Shelter is going to conclude. I'm assuming they probably won't for a long time. The same with any profits that are generated from now until the end of the year from my website, campfireshop.com, where you can buy candles, herbal supplements, teas, and more. This is a great organization. Holly and Sean are doing a great job, and I'm happy to help them out. I know your time is valuable, and there's a lot of competition of things to watch on YouTube, and so I'm trying to keep a lot of these videos under 15 minutes. So I'll conclude this one right here. When you get a chance, please let me know what you think about what's going on in Western North Carolina. Where are you getting the best updates on what's going on out there? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Kindly remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell because there will be more videos like this one, and I hope you check those out too. Once again, this channel is sponsored by campfireshop.com, where you could order the highest quality and exclusive candles, herbal supplements, teas, and more. I would also appreciate it if you could become a member of this channel and or join me on Patreon, where you can watch exclusive walk-in tours of cool places that I've been to. You could also leave a super thanks in the comments below. Kindly be kind to all of our fellow Earthlings, including humans, and please do not harm them. And please do yourself a favor and go to a local shelter and adopt a cat or a dog, or both. You and they will be very glad that you did. Until next time, I wish you safe travels on all your journeys.